Okay.
Alright, so just to give you a comparison, here's the bad one. Here's the good one. The rubber is all still in there for support. So it's right there. So what was happening is I would shift the car into gear and it just bang hard, just like boom. And it's because this part right here, and I'll pull it out right now so you can see how bad it is. So if you have the problem of when you shift it into gear, so to drive or reverse, it just makes a loud clunking sound. I would check this first, all right, to make sure that that hasn't gone bad. What I did is I put my car on these Gorilla ramps, and I think that's what they're called, Rhino ramps, sorry. And I put this jack here just as a, just in case, for safety purposes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. I've already taken the bolts out. So there's one hand. There you go. So you can see the rubber inside is completely gone. No good. One of the things I wanted to show you guys was to get the bolt out, I cut 2 slits right here, right there, and right here, and then just bent this back so I could get the bolt out. You could bend it back afterwards. That's what I did. You can make, you could do it your own way, but this worked for me. Otherwise, this was keeping me from being able to slide the bolt all the way out. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this back in. Let's see. Pretty much just gonna go there. Alright, and there's the finished product. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. I had to push on here to get this bolt to line up. Okay, so I had to put some pressure on there, push it forward. Like I said, I had to cut this 2 slits right here and then push this out to be able to get this bolt off and on. Now it seems like, it's perfect because I could just clip it back in. The back was pretty easy. There's nothing keeping you from being able to take it off, so you're good there.